That's what it looks like on the ground. Everything is high stumped over there. I wasn't getting down for messing with that. Cut it where you're comfortable. We're in the middle of the bush. Anyways, I said we'll be back this winter. Come get that later. So I'm shooting this mode so you can get the full idea what's going on here. One poplar, another poplar. Right there's the other poplar. That one's, I didn't go really go check if it's broken or just uprooted. It's going from there into that little bugger, then into that one. So, like right now I'm just out in the bush. I'm going to take them down and come back for, like, once my box empty for firewood. A little too much snow, or sorry, there's going to be too much snow later, but I got too much crap in my box. Anyways, so that one, and that one are all snagged because of that one. So that's what we're going to going to take down here. We will be right back. Well, I'm going to get scolded for this because I don't have my freaking hard hat with me. Oh, shit. Still a little water right there. Hopefully that showed up. So first one, did a deep back cut, or sorry, face cut, and sat there, did my back cut until I saw the tree just move a little, stop. Went to the next, did the same thing. Do not recommend. Anyway, that's it. Hasn't done shit like that, not to do it. And that other one had such a lean-to to it. Did a deep face cut and just a slow back cut. And you guys seen the rest. Now, once hunting season's done, I'll come and walk that up, limit out, and we'll get some firewood out of it later. Just, I'm out hunting today, so I was coming by the area, so I figured bring the saw, just get this down. Because who knows how much more snow we're going to get. But the wood will be easy to find. I know where it's at, and it's kind of, you kind of can't miss it. Anyways, that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.